Welcome to Time is on Your Side, the masterclass interview series on how to find more time and make the best use of it. My name is Stephanie Reh. I am the accountability evangelist and your host for this series. Today, I am proud to feature Helene Segura. Helene is a productivity and time management specialist. Productivity and time management are considered soft skills, but there's nothing soft about losing $10,000 worth of productivity per employee per year. Cannot wait to dive into your topic. So you chose The Hurrieder I Go, the Behinder I Get. Love that title. Why did you pick that?
I picked it because I see that as a very common challenge that folks have today in our quest to make everybody happy around us, to show that we're a high performer and we're on top of everything. We tend to react instantly to any question that is thrown our way or any request that's dropped into our lap. And the faster we go, the more mistakes we tend to make. And we tend to be far less productive when we're always in a rush. And so instead of always doing that rush, and reacting in the moment, I recommend to all my clients that they slow down and they pause, because within that pause, they make a better decision about how they're going to use their time.
So for most of us who are not so good at that, where do you start? Were you on that journey yourself? And how do you kind of help your clients make that journey?
Yes, I think at one point or another, we've all been on that journey. And it's a journey that continues throughout life, because even when you are quote unquote on the wagon and you're doing really well with your time management, some wrench will be thrown into your plans. You're going to hit a glitch or a hiccup. And if you have these skills already embedded, it's a lot easier and faster to recover. So it's not like you're going to learn this and then that's how it's going to be for the rest of your life. It's a conscious effort that you make every single day. So yes, that was a part of my journey, and wanting to uphold my good name. I'm really proud of my work ethic, but sometimes that pride would get in the way and I'd overextend and overpromise. And I realized that if I just paused and thought about what I'm about to do, and then that's going to make life a lot easier. So with my clients, we actually start off with looking at their top responsibilities in their work life and their personal life, because all the decisions they make about their time should be based on whether or not what they're about to do is going to support their priorities in one of those areas of their lives.
So that would suggest then that we should be pausing long enough to say yes or no to doing it at all before we even get to how to do it.
Right, exactly. Because in that moment, you're thinking about, okay, this was a work-related question or a work-related request. These are my top work responsibilities. This is what I have on my plate right now. This is what I have time for. And this is where that request falls into the levels of priority. So your brain is processing that as quickly as possible. But if your brain is filled with all sorts of confusion, it doesn't process that in a logical way. And then you do the easiest thing and just say, okay, I'll do it. Instead of thinking about when makes sense for you to do it based on priorities.